Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 C300 4MATIC Cabriolet. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you an AMG body styling, diamond grille in the chrome finish, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A saddle brown MB-Tex interior. We got our C300 4MATIC badging. And up front, this does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, a natural grain brown ash wood trim, illuminated door sills. Hopping in, we've got steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and turn wheel for infotainment center. This Cabriolet has 32,849 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 Cabriolet, check out feldmanimports.com.